Hey everyone, I made it into Burlington, so they are filled in with jewelry in this location. So today we have a Jessica watch. Look at that. It's kind of cute. It's all in black. It's only $17 for that one. Make sure I don't drop that. Plenty of large jewelry. Look at this little one. Looks like a little bracelet by Kenzie. Okay, look at that. On this set you get earrings and necklaces. I feel like a lot of this stuff is really cute if you have a younger kid, maybe like 8 years old, you know. More watches in here. Like this one says Faith on it, and it has a little cross. Okay. Oh, look at this earring set. This one's by Daisy Fuentes. It looks like they're $5.99. We have a Catherine one. Let me pull it out. You have your gold hoops in here. Oh wow, that's only $7. What? I didn't put lotion on. Oh my gosh, you know I hate that. Okay, we have jewelry boxes, stuff for your eyeglasses. Okay, a lot of cute cases today. Normally I really don't see a lot of cases. Lots of colorful ones. Okay, look how cute. I've never seen like a heart purple one like this. Normally it's like the monogram one. Only $7. See, we always see this one right here. But look, they have the heart one. That's cute. The all white one. This is Kendall and Kylie for $18. So I know they have Kendall and Kylie in Five Below, but the quality for Kendall and Kylie and Five Below is really different. Plenty of Steve Madden. These are $15. Look, here's a nice purple one too. And then more Juicy. It's all in white. The Juicy in the back. Let's see what I could find up here. Oh, here's the black one. Those are $10.99. There's a Minnie Mouse one. These are $11. Oh, look at this one. The little butterfly on it, that's $5. I just saw this one in TJ Maxx. Here's a mini DKNY. No price on it, but a lot of these wallets are so cheap. $5, like a red tag one. Okay, I found a new sparkly backpack by Steve Madden. It's going to be $35. I've never seen this one. And of course, you get the little pouch. Here's a Juicy Couture one, which I don't think I've seen, but I know I've seen a brown one. So $29.99. What if this is more like a card holder, not a coin pouch? See if we can open that one up. Or maybe for your ID. There's like 2 little slots in that. What is this white one? That's $13. You got the gold right here. Okay, that's like dreams, yes. And then you get the chain, of course. BB in the canvas one's the new style for $20. Oh, here's another Steve Madden. Looks like a lot of Steve Madden today. Maybe not. It's Betsy Johnson. But you know, normally when I see that, I think of Steve Madden. $15. This one's going to be $21, and you can detach that, which is like really cool. And $33 for this white one. This has some studding. The long chain, we just saw that one. $29.99. You get the long crossbody strap, shoulder strap. Here's a Steve Madden down here for $25. Coin pouch. Thick strap, and this one might be a new Juicy bag. Wow, there's quite a few new Juicy bags I haven't seen. That's gonna be $25. It's a cute little hollow one for $13. More BB, $17. $29.99. Is there one more in the back? There is. No, this one's $29.99 too. So this one has the little mini chain. You do get the long strap. And look, I found the white version of that black one. Check out this Jessica one for only 17. Look at that. That's kind of cute. I could see you taking that like to yoga or something. Here's a yellow Aldo one. I haven't seen this one for 25. And your black version for 29 and 99. And I did find a pink one, more like a crossbody, for 20. So here's another Steve Madden for 35. Okay, quite a few. Okay, these are really cute. They're $50 by Guess. Look at the bronze hardware. You know what? Can I move that without beeping? And they have the green one. I love that color. Kind of like that light green. A lot of Calvin Klein, more DKNY, and then here's another Guess one. And $20. Look at this bow one, you guys. That's kind of cute, I think. It is like velvet, long crossbody strap, and here's another black one. Wow, today is the day for Burlington. Wow. 17. Normally Burlington is not as jam-packed. We have London Fog in here. It's a B bag. That is 18. And this one, maybe it looks like a makeup bag, right? For 13. Yeah, like a cosmetic one. We have 9 West in floral. That is $23. Let's see, BB, like a little mini backpack. That is 23 as well. Gold hardware, another Juicy Couture one for 20. Is that button? No. It might be magnetic. No. But you do get the wristlet. You can pull it out. Yeah, those are 20. How much does it retail? For 80. Let me bring this one up. Oh, that's Anne Klein. Jones, New York. There's plenty of Jones, New York. We have one with the floral, like the pink. These are 25. Double zipper, pocket on the side. Same over here. Same price. Malibu Sky. I don't think I ever heard of this brand. This one does come with a long strap too for 25. Okay, that's Anne Klein again for 28. And by the brand Like Dreams for 25. You also get that chain with it. Okay, we have this blue Steve Madden tote down here for $40. Has this a pocket zipper. I don't know how I feel about that square. Maybe it just had the zipper, not like the outline of a square, because you can't, it doesn't come apart. It's another juicy one. Have we seen this one? For 20. So we have it in a white. Adidas fanny pack. These are $10.99. This little black bag is a 19. 3 ways to wear backpack, crossbody, and the top handle. Okay. Some pink action. This one's a backpack for 18 and $10.99. You can detach that, so maybe you could wear this one as a wristlet. This is a different BB. It's a tiny one for 17. You get that long chain as well. Here's another BB. You get the B. The B. Let's find out. For 17. 25 and 17. I want to say these are both Rossetti. No price on this one. It's kind of interesting. Okay, and this one, look at that. You got the double chain, like the pearl. 17, and you could take this off too. So you could take that off. Again, put jewelry here that you find here in Burlington. These are 15, and you can detach this. It's another BB. It looks like $18. Large Steve Madden canvas one. Oh, that's kind of cute. I haven't seen this one for 17. Steve Madden, little wristlet. And then you get to pull out this patch. And this is a card slot holder. This opens up. Maybe you can put money in here. You also could put money in here too, so you got plenty of card holders and then an extra one. Okay, that's new. Looks like a coin pouch. 10 bucks. Kendall and Kylie again. This one is 15. Retails for 50 for Kendall and Kylie. These are 13. Who makes this one? Is that Bandolino? No, Band Clink? I'm not too sure if that's how you say it. Okay, and 25. Double. Then we have your backpack for 28. There's plenty of Juicy Couture and Steve Madden. Look, they kind of look really similar. This one is 18. This is more like a square. Then we have Steve Madden, Betsy Johnson, 25, and $35 here. Madden Girl. Another Steve Madden. I know we've seen this one before with the buckle. More tons of Steve Madden. Here's a colorful backpack. Look at this Fila one. So I know we saw the Adidas one earlier. This one's only $9. Really colorful strap. It's white, crossbody. This is a vegan bag for 28. Wow, there's a lot of people here today. $20. Look at that one with the bow, which I know we find this one a lot in TJ Maxx. Here's a blinged out BB. That one will be a backpack. That's 25. It's kind of cute. It's like going out one. Oh, what's down here? This one is a red tag for 14. Not sure who makes it. Oh, like Dreams. Okay. Today is the day for squatting. I got my glute workout today. Okay. Ooh, look at this colorful one. This is a Guess one for $40. I've never seen this one. And look, you can detach that. So maybe this one could be a wristlet. There might be a crossbody strap in this one. I mean, the strap is detachable. Oh gosh, let me grab it. There we go. What do you guys think of this one? $40. Really cool and interesting, I think. Come here. Come here. Steve Madden in purple. Look at that. Oh gosh, what's falling? Oh. Is that Juicy? Let me find out. No, Betsy Johnson. Oh, that's kind of cute. Here's a chain. This one is $25. Let me go back to the Steve Madden for 28. This one's 20. More Juicy Couture, which I know we've seen. This one. This is an Aldo for 28. Okay, and I think we might have seen this one for 25. Rossetti is 20. Madden Girl in the Stripe canvas for 14. And here's a Guess one for 45. This is a new one too. You do get the long strap chain. That's $5 at the bottom. 20. Is this Crossy? Let me find out. Yeah. Mark New York. I want to say Mark. No. Nicole Miller. And Steve Madden is $23. Look at that. Little mini one. Tons of Jessica still in the back. That's a red tag for 13. Double zipper up in the front. It's pretty large too. Okay, let's see. I see more Juicy, which I know we've seen. Oh, what is that? It's like an all tiger one. You know what? It kind of reminds me of those pictures that you find something in, you know? Like you look at it and then there's like a helicopter in it or something. Betsy Johnson. Look at the little mini pouch though. That's funny. That is $33. Little pearl one. And large Steve Madden is down there at the bottom. Okay, $29.99. This one is a juicy one. 22. Some more bags on top. Some of these are like the vegan ones. They're like no brand, no name brand. That's 15. This one's 25 by Nicole Miller. See, it says Nicole Miller. Just like her makeup. I don't know if I like that. Rosetti for 23. And like these tiny more little mini backpacks. Look at this green one for 35. That's Jessica. That's 23. Okay, here's another BB one for $28. More Steve Madden. Okay, they got a lot of new stuff today. 40. This one's gonna be 40. So just like that crossbody one by Guess, I found the tote one for 45. Of course, you get, you know, the shoulder strap with it too. That is more Steve Madden in the back. Go down here. I think we might have seen this one, yeah. And 35. Here's another Steve Madden, yeah. A purple bling. Last time they had the fanny pack, so this one's more crossbody, thick strap. That's the BB one for 20. Steve Madden. These are 13. I want to say there might be BB. Yeah. Profusion. Look at these two little mini ones. This one's only 4. Okay, in their hat department, we have like Champion. This little C on the corner, that's 9. Check out the star one is 8. It looks like stars to me. It's a Puma one. Glow in the dark. Adidas, $2.99. It's not bad. $2.99. Look at this bucket hat. 17. Okay, see a lot of Champion. It's another one. More Adidas, like golfing. Get your golf game on. That's 13 for the pink one. I feel like I don't look good in hats. I try, you guys, in the summertime. And I'm all like, I just got like a weird, small, shapy head with a lot of freaking hair. $13 here. It's a gray one. I kind of like it. So I always see those ladies who have like their hair nice and curled at the end and they throw the hat on. I can't do that. My hair does not do that. It's just like makes my the hat always comes up. $8 here. Look at the stitch one. Okay, if you're going to Hawaii, which, you know, I know a lot of people are going to Hawaii this summer, and I'm very jealous of those people in my work. I'm like, oh, I can't. Oh, look at that neck massager. Alright, you guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in Burlington about a lot of new handbags. So if you're in the market for spring shopping, you know, trying to update your wardrobe, get to the Burlington. Oh gosh, Paris Hilton looks so weird here. I don't know why they don't put current pictures, you know. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.